Hello friends, in today's video we have a laptop stand from Proffisy. It is portable for a tablet, a book and a phone, and especially for a laptop. And in my previous video we had unboxed the wireless keyboard and mouse Dell KM636. As you can see, there's the box. So now let's start the unboxing. So guys, let's open the box. Yes, I feel it. So this is the inner part, and it comes with a bag. So it can be carried in your bag. So let's open this. Yes, so here is the laptop stand that you needed. It's pretty lightweight, so as I told you, it can be carried in your bag. Let's open it. The build quality is from aluminium alloy. So the weight of this product is light. It's a bit light, so it can be carried. It's a lightweight. Alright, let's open it. So this is the whole structure. So you will find a rod here. You have to get it on your settings. It has 6 level settings. Let's set it on the first. And the usabilities are a laptop, a book. So this is how it's gonna be for the laptop. So it comes with a user manual before you use this, as there are some images of it. Laptop up to 16 or 16 inches. And this is the book and the tablet picture image. So let's get on to the back. So this is the structure for your mobile. This is the back. You need to make it as at the front line, and you can set it on the 6th level as you know. Okay, so this is going to be the structure for your book, and this is a very nice book. So the competitors for this are a Portronic. So the Portronic build is not nice as the one. It is a bit bad than the Proffisy one. This one is much better, and I think this product can last long. So now the final, well, is it a value for money or not? So the people who are suffering with back pain and they use this product, the back pain will immediately get off their back. And this product have many benefits, and if you're working from home or on college with a laptop, this would help you to keep your posture healthy. And so this is a great value for money and worth buying. I will place the link in the description. You can buy from that link. So please subscribe to my channel for more future videos on unboxing and reviews and many more future videos. Make sure you like and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you do not miss any interesting video. Bye.